Germany, Hannover walking tour on the snow in the district of Lower Saxony Langenhagen Pferdemarkt.
Deutschland, Hannover Rundgang auf dem Schnee im Landkreis Niedersachsen Langenhagen Pferdemarkt.
Gleis 3, Einfahrt S4 nach Hildesheim Hauptbahnhof über Hannover Hauptbahnhof, Abfahrt 10:04 Uhr. Vorsicht bei der Einfahrt.
Break the barriers of passivism. Simply interact with the channel. Germanize your journey. Can you describe your favorite place in this area and when you actually enjoy your time? Write that in comments.
The second one, maybe. Yes, I bought it the last time, and thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. This machine doesn't work. This machine doesn't work. Thank you a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you. I will show them this in the train because this is fucking machine is not working.
All of the places here are enjoyable. But, I'm really wondering, where do you actually enjoy your time? Can you tell me that in the comment?
ein Freund in Not ist. Na ja, den Rest kennst du.
Start your day with this channel.
Beginnen Sie Ihren Tag mit diesem Kanal.
Join the Feminist Tries community.